My last video I did on the plasma cutter unboxing and use was paid. Yes Welder sent that to me for me to unbox and use on the channel to test and do feedback on. Love it. I made a welding cart, and there's going to be a video of the welding cart being manufactured. I have a welding cart for my MIG welder. It's not going to work for what I need now. So I have, since I got the plasma cutter, reached out and purchased some items. One of them was a new welding helmet. I did have a different one that I was trying out. Wasn't very happy with it. It was too sensitive. This one I have had out, and I have used it making my welding cart. It is also from Yes Welder. It comes with the bag, comes with several extra lenses. Works great. I'm very happy with this. It's sensitive, but it's not too sensitive. The problem I had with the other one was that in the shop with all the lights on, it wouldn't lighten back up. It would go dark and it would stay dark. Even when I turned sensitivity all the way down and everything, it was always dark. This one's working as it's supposed to, so I'm happy with this one. So Yes Welder, this is model number LYG Q800D. It has peripheral lenses on it. These are just dark. They don't auto darken, but the front, it's got a large field of view, and it's nice. It has a shade knob here, and then the sensitivity and the delay knobs are on the inside. And it also has a weld, cut, and grind mode on the inside. So like I said, it works great. I used it making my welding cart, which there will be a video for that. And then we're going to go into why I made a welding cart. Number one, I have the MIG welder. It's an Eastwood MIG welder I've had for several years. Works great. It's 100 MIG 180. Works great. Love it. But I have stated on the channel a couple times that I wanted to get a TIG welder. So I got me a TIG welder. This is not sponsored by Yes Welder, although I am an affiliate with Yes Welder. This is the Tig-205P-Pro. This is a DC only. I don't see doing any aluminum work, so this should be sufficient for what I need. So let's open this up and see what we got. There will be a link in the description for this if anybody's interested. As with the plasma cutter, I got a box with the accessories in it and the actual box itself. This is actually lighter than the plasma cutter. It's also a lot smaller than the plasma cutter. It is a dual voltage. It's got the standard 220 plug on it. Nice and compact. We're going to set this down and let's open up the box and see what we got in the box. This is also capable of stick welding. Haven't stick welded in a long time, but it's got the striker lead. Decent length. Don't know if I'll ever use it, but if I ever need one, I've got one. I mostly got this for the TIG welding aspect of it, for doing patch panels and some of the custom work I'm planning on the truck. So we got that. Got the instruction manual. Got a gas hose. Got the ground lead. This looks like the same ground lead that comes with the plasma cutter. I'm pretty sure it is, but it's good ground lead. Put that back in. Again, I said it was dual voltage, so I got another 220 110 adapter. Put that down. And then we have the TIG torch. So it came with the kit. And then we have the torch. It's got a pretty nice long lead on it. This torch, it's got the swivel in it that the plasma cutter's got, where the lead goes into it. This does have a button on it for starting it. And then it's got the screw-on fitting that's going to be your power and gas, and then a 5-pin plug on it. Put that back in. So this is not all that I purchased. I purchased some other stuff. One of the reasons why I was building the welding cart is I want a cart that I can put my MIG, this TIG welder now, both bottles, and a plasma cutter on, so that I can have one cart to carry everything. So my son Daniel and I cut holes in the cart I have to be able to put 2 bottles on it, and it is painted and drying right now, so we will get to that. So one of the things that I will say that I'm not happy with this, and one of the things I like about Eastwood, is Yes Welder does not send their units with a gas regulator. So I went ahead and ordered one of them, and it's got an adapter, a hose clamp, I guess if you're just running a hose to it, and then a flow meter to put on my argon bottle. So we will be getting this set up. The paint's drying on my welding cart, and then we will get everything set up. But I have this when we are ready. Put this all back in here. I bought blue tungstens. These are 3/32. Nice little box. Regular tungsten, so we are set for that. And to get started, it's been a long time since I've TIG welded, so I'm going to be playing with it a little bit. I got a 5-pound box of 3/32 TIG rod. So we are all set as far as that goes. And then last but not least, I ordered the pedal. So this TIG welder is, it's got the button. It's an HF start TIG welder. but I wanted to have a pedal as well in case I need it. So I went ahead and ordered one. Pretty heavy pedal. Nice looking pedal. It's got a 5-pin plug that goes in the side of it, and it came with the cord, and this looks like it's a pretty long cord. 5-pin on both sides, and it also has an instruction manual. So we will be getting all of this set up, and we will try this out. Don't know if I'm going to be doing it this weekend or not. One other thing to note, I do have a big project in the house starting. I may or may not have mentioned. So my videos may slow down a little bit. That does not mean that work on the truck is going to stop, because I've got a lot to do before the show, but I have to take care of the honey-do list as well. So things may slow down a little bit, but we will not be stopping on this. So hopefully we're going to get a chance to try this out, test it, see how everything works, get it all set up. I do have an argon bottle. I already ordered one. It came in a week ago. So we are set. I just have to get everything hooked up, and then we can start TIG welding. So that's where we're at for now. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. There will be more to come.